It's 1993 and I thought I'd show you what's in the bag. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. It's 1993. This year is going to be amazeballs. I have just started taking up golfing a few years ago, and I have finally kitted myself out with an amazing set of golf clubs. Now, first of all, 1993 has been awesome so far. In January, Deep Space Nine started, and what an awesome spin-off of Star Trek: The Next Generation. It's on a space station. It's different, it's glorious. I love it. It's going to be amazing. And the other thing that's really exciting is that after the Cold War, looks like Bush and Yeltsin are really starting to come together, man. I think Russia is about to be a longtime ally of the United States. So that gets me now to the other thing that's really exciting, my new set of golf clubs. And I have been saving up. I actually started with an old Northwestern set of golf clubs, you know, just a full set, woods, irons, wedges, putter, everything in there, and that was great to get started. But now I have finally put together a premium set of golf clubs. So let's start with the big dog. What you can see here is a graphite shaft, and on the end here I have a beautiful head by Golfsmith. Now, Golfsmith is the big retailer in the golf space. It sells components, it sells finished clubs, you can custom order clubs, and this one is just fantastic, beautiful. This is titanium, and you can see it says 230. This is a 230cc head. It is massive. I cannot imagine you missing the ball. I'm not sure how anyone would miss a ball with a head this massive. They certainly are not going to get any bigger. It's like swinging a balloon on the end of a stick. But this thing absolutely sails balls out there. It's got a beautiful finish here. Obviously some scalloped edges. You can see this is in a 10.5 degree, so I know that's the optimal loft for me. Man, it's beautiful. Look at this low hosel here. No wasted weight up here on the shaft, and beautiful round grip on there. All right, now I'll tell you, if Golfsmith keeps making clubs like that, they are going to be the juggernaut in the golf retail space, maybe putting all other golf companies out of business. They are going to be the big brand forever. Now, the other thing, and this is something that I'm very, very excited about, I've been saving up my money for, what you can see here is the Fire Stick shafts. This bad boy, the red to black here, is absolutely beautiful. Graphite shafts and irons are not that common, so to have graphite shafts and irons is something really unique. We've got your standard grip on the end here, but on the end here we have the Wilson Staff Ultra Irons. These are the 45s, and just beautiful. Cavity back, a little extra weight up here on the toe. Man, they look beautiful. They're nice and thin, which is exactly how you want clubs to look. The Wilson Staff clubs are nothing short of amazing. They're beautiful. They are super high technology, and I think this really solidifies Wilson's spot as the dominant golf club manufacturer, and I can see them being maybe the pinnacle of golf clubs forever, possibly. Pretty awesome. I really love these irons. They absolutely pure the ball out there. Now, those Wilson Ultra irons come in some wedges too, but I still needed to add a sand wedge to the bag, and this is a sand wedge that I wouldn't normally have added myself. In fact, my uncle actually bought it for me to help me improve my golf game. What you can see here is we have a steel shaft on it, wound grip on here, and that is because you're going to hit this bad boy out of the sand a lot of times. And look at this. What we have here is a Ping I2. Again, this is not a wedge I probably would have bought for myself. This wedge is like $120. Can you believe that? It is so expensive. The Ping I2 comes in the dot system here, so you can get them in different lie angles based on your height, your arm length, hand to ground distance. But man, this is so beautiful. Look at the bounce on this. It's got just a wonderfully curved edge here, so you can just hit this out of the sand. The grooves on here are U-shaped, which is actually an awesome technology for imparting a lot of spin on the golf ball, getting those golf balls to stop. U technology will never go away. That will stay in golf clubs forever, because I can't imagine anything else ever being better than that. So just really awesome. Again, Karsten Solheim from Ping, just an amazing innovator. The best wedges I have ever used. Now, we got to get on the green and roll some balls, and this is a putter here that I have been dying to get, and it is just fantastic. Again, steel shaft here, but it's by Slotline Inertial. This is the HDMI 2, and what makes this putter amazing here is it looks kind of like any other putter here. We've got a little bit of a gooseneck, but right back here underneath these little enamel covers, we have two big nickel weights, I believe. So what we have is all the weight out in the toe and the heel. So if you put this right in the middle, you have basically equal amounts of weight on either side of the golf ball. So this sucker will not twist. It is just super stable. It's not just a single material like those answer style putters that are just cast out of a single type of metal. This has multi-materials. It is super high-tech. It is super expensive. At about $100 for this bad boy, you are going to break the bank to get this, but the technology in this and the amount of forgiveness it has and its high moment of inertia is something that probably can never be duplicated again. So this is going to suck up basically all of the putter consumption in the market. So really, I think between Golfsmith, Wilson, Slotline, and Ping, those are four names that you will never forget because they will be the dominant names in golf forever. Hey, if you want to pick up any of these, including this beautiful Wilson Ultra Iron set, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.